Good afternoon, everybody. We are here today in North Pinecrest, and I'm here with my friend Emilio. He's a colleague of ours that works with Douglas Elman. And he knows the house from before because he knows the owners too. So I wanted him to talk a little bit about the house and what he thinks is the focal point of the property.
I think that the most important part is when you go in and you see this, that's it.
Yeah.
The house is in great shapes, perfect floor plan, but the layout of the lot, the privacy, and the space that you have here is hard to find.
Yeah.
So that's, to me, that's the most important part of the property.
And I think you're right, because we had some clients just now that they were looking at these beautiful hedges and how tall it is, and they were talking about how private this home is and how monitored it is.
And you don't have, you are like right there,
right,
open.
That's
so.
a rectangular. So please come and see us.
Come.
And we'll show you this amazing house. It is walking distance from the Pinecrest Elementary, which is a good plus for everybody.
Yep.
Very private street, amazing. We're here to help you find your perfect home. Thank you.
You're welcome.